What is a startup? Startups have emerged as fast-growing business model. A startup company is an entrepreneurial, fast-growing business that aims to solve needs of consumers by developing a viable business model around an innovative product and service platform. A startup is usually a company designed to effectively develop and validate a scalable business model. How do you register a startup? Startup venture may be registered and take the form with respect to its ownership, namely a sole proprietorship firm, partnership firm, OPC, public and private property, and limited liability partnership. We offer more than 25 types of business registration services online, ranging from sole proprietorship firm, partnership firm, company incorporation, registration for foreign business owners, and some special entities registration and licenses to avail benefit of government incentive scheme, and registration or license for specific business activities. Registered business has its own advantages as it gives unique name, identity to the business, and provides protection to personal property of the owners. Registered business will also attract more customers as it shows legality and genuineness of organization. And it also makes it easier to get some bank credit and investment from investors. An important factor to be considered at the start of the business is the place where the enterprise will be located. There are various ways in which foreign owners may get their business registered in India. License/project office registration, branch office of foreign company, company/LLP registration with FDI, Indian subsidiary, etc. There are also some voluntary registrations which makes the organization eligible for several government incentive schemes. Government encourages such business startup by providing certain tax incentives, tax deduction, subsidies, and various training programs. For example, MSME, shop and establishment, professional tax, and ESIC registration, etc. If business owners wants to start real estate business, then he should seek registration under REIA, either as an owner for his real estate project or as a real estate agent. There are various business licenses for which organization may apply, such as FCRA, IEC, APEDA, FSSAI, and barcode registration according to its objects and business activities. We at FileCat will take note of your business requirements and will guide you to establish the most suitable type of business registration in accordance with your requirements and need, as all our services are handled by seasoned professionals including chartered accountants, company secretaries, lawyers, and more. Want to know more? Visit us at filecrat.com. Drop us a mail or call us here.